Hey, this is Scott White and Giveaways talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, we're talking about what others say about your photography business. That's right. That is right. You need testimonials. You need testimonials because it's social proof. It is literally your client talking about you, which in some ways is the best way to sell your brand, your services. Testimonials, love them or hate them, as uncomfortable as it might be to ask for them, it's word of mouth. You need it. Google, emails, whatever it is, there are so many ways to get more business, but word of mouth by way of testimonials is still one of the best ways to get business. So let's talk about how you can get testimonials and inspire your customers to send you testimonials and, of course, display testimonials. Now, if you're using a WordPress website, you can simply just create a page called Testimonials and then use the quote block or embed things like a Facebook review, or you could do screenshots from Google My Business reviews or anything like that, and you can bring them into the page and have a beautiful display of all these testimonials. If you're using Elementor, then they have testimonial widgets that you can add. If you're using the Gutenberg, the WordPress block editor, you could add a testimonials block to your page. There's many different ways that you can display testimonials on a page, but the key here is to have a testimonials page. And be sure to reference it in various places. For example, you may not put a testimonials link in your menu on your about page or your contact page where you might show one or two testimonials, or your portfolio page, wherever. You could say, see more love, see more reviews, see more testimonials, things like that, what others are saying, and link to your testimonials page. Which brings me to my second tip, which is to be sure to include at least one testimonial on practically every page on your site. Anything important, really, especially your homepage. What I do, if you go to scottwine.com, you will actually see on my homepage, I've got a very simple slider which just rotates through testimonials. Another piece of advice I have for you is to take those testimonials and put them as text things, blurbs that you can copy and paste, as well as make images to go with them and share those on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, or wherever you are posting to reach your clients. Next up is marketing materials. So whether you have a PDF that you send out to clients or a physical document packet that you send out to potential clients, things like that, any marketing materials that you create, be sure to include testimonials. Now, the best way to demonstrate your testimonials, and here's the next tip, is to use your photos of those clients who left you that review. Don't just include a picture of your client. If you took the picture, it's more impactful. The next tip, and I only have two more left for you, but the next tip is to include testimonials in your email marketing series. So if you have a lead generation system in place, which I really hope you do, and if you don't, scottwyden.com/courses, you can sign up for more leads, more clients. It's a lead generation course for photographers. So hopefully you have a lead nurturing system in place, and you also have a client onboarding system in place and a client offboarding system in place to get them to come back in the future. On your client onboarding, you may not need testimonials because, well, they already are paying you for the service. However, for the lead nurturing, you want to show your testimonials. You want to show that people love your work. And in the offboarding series, you are going to want to share a place where people can leave reviews. Google My Business gives you a quick link that you can grab and put into your emails or wherever to share so people can quickly leave a review. There's ways that you could do it for your Facebook page. There's ways that you can do it on Yelp or wherever you are listed and want the review. So include those links in your email marketing as well. And the last tip. Now this might be the most basic, which is why I'm leaving it for last, but you have the email signature. You probably are linking to your website. You are probably linking to your Facebook page or Instagram page, wherever. Include a link to a place where people can easily leave a review. Now, here's a bonus tip. On your testimonials page, you can actually put at the top quick links for people to access your reviews on Facebook, on Google My Business, on Yelp, etc. What you can then do is in your email signature or even your email marketing series is when you link to your testimonials page, you can say leave a review here. And then when they go to it, they're going to see all of the places that they can leave a link or leave a review. They're going to see all the places where they can leave a review for you, in addition to all the amazing testimonials people have already left for you. Double bonus is that there's a WordPress plugin that can actually aggregate a lot of your reviews and suck them into your WordPress site. It's called Business Reviews for WordPress, and I will link to that in the description down below. Check it out. You might like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the wait, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the next video. See you later.